Got a nice reference edge now on here, and this will be the side where my vise will be. So I'll put a little mark right there. And I've got 22 inches, almost dead on. And this end is 22 and just under a quarter. Looks like my final width will be 22 inches. Well, that's how much I got to take off to give me 6 feet right on. That should take out the last little bit of checking, and there's a little low spot right on the edge there. It'll take that off. And let's see if I can do this the same way as that sadistic James Wright does it. Whew. How did I do? I'm out a little bit. small check on the other side and just stabilize it. Hopefully that stabilized all the cracks and everything. And I just did it with a coarse setting on the sander with 80 grit. And I don't think I'm going to go any farther than that. It's already feeling probably a little bit smoother than what I want. So I think that is finished. And I'm still contemplating adding some ash boards to the bottom of it to increase the thickness. Next week I think I'm going to go look for the wood for the base. I've got a line on some soft maple. So what's today? July 15th. I'm so tempted to put some linseed oil on that. Except for the chop, that's the rest of the bench. We've got some 4/4 ash. Let me get my tape measure. Closer to 1 1/8 inches by just under 6 to laminate to the bottom, and some 8/4 soft maple, just over 7 inches for the legs and the stretchers, and I cut it so it would fit in the car. So those two are a leg, those two are a leg, there's a leg and stretchers and another leg and stretchers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, and the rest of it is stretchers, short and long. And it's heavy, but it's in the shop.